guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a collaboration video for you guys. So I had an open collaboration to share some Dollar Tree gift ideas for you guys. So everything that you're seeing here I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and the challenge was to spend $10 or less to come up with a gift idea. So I have a gift idea for a male, I have a gift idea for a female, and then I also have a fun little DIY gift that you can do, and it makes multiples. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hop into it, and I'm gonna be creating a playlist of everyone that participated in this collaboration. So check back on the 13th to see the full playlist, and I will have it in my videos going forward to give you guys some ideas of what you can pick up for gifts. So if you are new to my channel from anyone else's channel, hi, my name is Gina Schweppe. I do a lot of couponing content, but I have really been enjoying the Dollar Tree, especially the creative outlet that it gives me. So I wanted to share with you guys some inexpensive gift ideas that I think are really cute gifts. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So this first gift idea is for my best friend's boyfriend. So I always try to get him something. So with this gift, I actually got a little, what is this, like an oven mitt? Yeah, it's an oven mitt that has a little snowman on it. So I'm actually using this as my gift bag. And inside I put a few things in here for him. So I spent $1 on the oven mitt. And then I found this glass for him. And it has all different recipes of drinks. So it has a Manhattan, has a margarita, a daiquiri, Tom Collins, a martini, a cosmopolitan, a whiskey sour, and then it shows what you need. And he does like to drink, and he also likes to make his own beverages. So I thought that was really fun for him. And what I'm putting inside of the glass are these awesome socks. Okay, so the first one has grilled cheeses on them, and this is so stinking cute. And my best friend's boyfriend is a vegetarian, so he eats a lot of grilled cheese and he eats a lot of eggs. And I found these fried egg socks. These are so freaking cute. I got a pair for myself, and I got a pair for Ashley because her and I do keto, and we like live on eggs and bacon. So I had to pick those up for us. So this is the first little gift idea, and I'm just gonna go ahead and hang a little tag right here, and this is the gift itself. So this is the first gift, and it's $1, 2, 3, $4, a $4 gift, and it's something that is useful in the sense that you can always use oven mitts. He's gonna love the glass, and instead of getting him chocolates, I decided to go ahead and give him some socks. So I picked that up for him. And then the next gift I got is a gift. It's kind of like a stationery gift. So what I did is I picked up this notebook right here. It says, grow through what you go through. So this is one of my favorite jot journals. So it's a hardcover notebook, and it has how many sheets? 60 sheets in it. I love the hardback because if you're in the car and you need to write on something, it's nice to have a hard surface. So I picked this up, and then I also picked up a little handheld planner right here. So it is a 2019 planner, and it's just something compact that you can go ahead and keep into your purse. And then to go with that, I have some planner stickers. So these are the planner stickers. It's the Let's Planner. So it's 265 sheets. So I thought that this would be a great gift idea for someone to get them organized for the new year. So there are tons of stickers on here. So I'm gonna pair that together. And then I'm also pairing a package of cards. So it's a 6-pack of Hallmark cards. They're blank cards. And if you're like me, sometimes I struggle with finding like a card when I need to send a card. So it's nice to have these on hand. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and pair it with this Sharpie marker. And this is gonna be the whole complete gift right here. So it is basically a get your life together for 2019 type of gift. So if I received a gift like this, I would be all about it because I am a planning nerd. So this is actually gonna go to my best friend, Brittany. So she's gonna be getting this as well because I thought she would really enjoy, you know, getting organized for the new year, because that's just stuff she likes. So I found this next gift idea on Pinterest. So it's actually gonna make 3 gifts. So what you're gonna need is the Assured cotton rounds. You're also gonna need some of these favor sets. So it is a count of 3 favor set, and then you're also gonna need a Sharpie. So I'm gonna hop into how you can go ahead and make this gift. So this craft is so stinking easy, you guys, and it's gonna make 3 little gifts right here. So what you want to do is use your Sharpie marker, and you're gonna want to write on the tins, you're gonna want to write, "Let it snow." So I'm also gonna do another little saying, and this one's gonna say, "Chill out." So this is what it says right here, "Chill out." I think this is so cute. And you could also like put some different like embellishments on this as well. You could use some stickers, you can use some sequins. There's so many things you guys can do. But what I'm gonna go ahead and do is hot glue gun the actual cotton balls down, because I wanna make sure that these stick. So I'm just adding it in the tin and just going in with just a little bit of hot glue to glue everything down. Then we're gonna take the little ribbon that it came with, and you have yourself a little custom ornament. All right, so just to jazz this up just a little bit, I always save scrap little florals from my floral picks that I get from the Dollar Tree. So I just want to add like a little bit of color in here. Now you don't have to, but I just want to go ahead and dress this up just a little bit more. You can use like holly berries if you want. I actually think I'm gonna go with this silver color right here, because it kind of like looks like a snowflake a little bit, but like I said, I just want to dress this up just a little bit more, just to add a little bit of sparkle to it, and I think that it's turning out really good. All right, so let me take these off. Don't these like look like little snowflakes right here? I think they look like little snowflakes. So yeah, I'm just adding the hot glue in here and just placing them in. So I think I'm just only gonna add 2, and I think it just really dressed this up even more. Okay, so I went ahead and just wrapped this up. I put it on a bed of M&Ms, and then I put it in this little Santa tin right here. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little gift tag here and put who it's from and who it's to and who it's from. So I'm gonna put that on this tin, and then I have a little gifting box with the gift inside. So total is, okay, $1 for the tin, 1, 2, 3, $4. This was a $4 gift, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like it so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and if you participated in this open collaboration, thank you so much, and I will be making that playlist. It's going to be uploaded on the 13th of November, so I want to make sure everyone's video submissions is added to that playlist, and I'm going to keep doing these open collaborations in the future, so stay tuned. Make sure you're subscribed to hear about the next open collaboration. So in terms of my channel right now, I am only participating in open collaborations at this point and one-on-one collaborations. And the reason why I went ahead and did this is because something about my personality that a lot of people may not know is I hate feeling left out. And a part of me felt doing closed collaborations, I didn't want someone to feel left out on behalf of me. So that's why I've decided just to go ahead and open my collaborations to anyone who wants to participate, and those are going to be the only collaborations that I do going forward. If it's in a group type collaboration, I'm only going to be doing open collaborations if it's in a group, because like I said, I don't want anyone to feel left out. And don't hesitate to ask me if you want to do like a one-on-one collaboration. I don't care how many subscribers you have, as long as we are, you know, building some sort of friendship. either through YouTube or Instagram or email or however we're building a relationship, do not feel like you can't reach out to me and say, hey Gina, do you want to do this with me? Hey Gina, do you want to do that with me? Because I don't want you guys ever to think that, oh, just because I have 20,000 subscribers that I'm not open to doing a collaboration with someone who maybe has 5 subscribers, because that is not the case at all. And I don't want anyone to ever feel that way, because I once was a small channel. I grew my YouTube channel from 3 years ago. I started out making couponing content, and I literally would have 20 people watching. I literally had 100 subscribers for like a year, and I know what it's like to be starting a channel. I know what it's like to try to make friends here in this YouTube community, especially now since it's so big and so many people have channels. It's kind of hard to network because everyone is so scared of, getting subscribers stolen from them or only being used for subscribers. Me, I used to think that way, but now I feel like it's not my job to be someone else's moral compass. So that's where I'm at. So here on my channel, I will only be doing open collaborations if it's a group, and I will be participating in one-on-ones. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And again, don't forget to like it so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you guys later. Happy gifting. Bye-bye.